Imagine a small island barely a dot on the vast canvas of the Pacific Ocean. This is Easter Island, or Rapa Nui, as it is known to its indigenous people. Located over 2,000 miles from the nearest continent, Easter Island stands as a testament to human resilience and the enduring power of culture. Yet this remote paradise harbors a mystery that has captivated explorers, historians, and scientists for centuries. The island is renowned for its iconic Moai statues, colossal figures carved from volcanic rock, standing sentinel across the landscape. The sheer isolation of Easter Island makes it a wonder how humans ever reached its shores, let alone created such a unique and complex society. Polynesian seafarers, masters of navigation and survival, are believed to have arrived on Easter Island around 1200 AD. They found a fertile volcanic island abundant with resources and teeming with life. This pristine environment provided the backdrop for the rise of a vibrant culture, one that would leave an indelible mark on the world embodied in the enigmatic Moai statues. The discovery of Easter Island by Dutch explorers on Easter Sunday in 1722 unveiled this lost world to the Western gaze. The sight that greeted them was one of stark contrast, a seemingly barren landscape dotted with hundreds of stoic stone figures, their silent gaze fixed on the horizon. The mystery of Easter Island lies in understanding how a society isolated on a remote island managed to carve, transport, and erect these massive statues, and what ultimately led to their decline. The story of Easter Island is a complex tapestry woven from archaeological evidence, linguistic analysis, and the oral traditions passed down through generations of Rapa Nui people. It is a story that continues to unfold, challenging us to reconsider our understanding of human history and the delicate balance between civilization and the environment. Perhaps the most enduring symbol of Easter Island, the Moai statues, are a testament to the ingenuity and artistic prowess of the ancient Rapa Nui people. Carved from the volcanic tuff of Rano-Raraku, a volcanic crater, these monolithic figures range in size from a few feet to over 30 feet tall, weighing several tons each. The sheer scale of the Moai, coupled with their enigmatic expressions and the logistical challenges of their creation, has fueled endless speculation and debate among scholars. One prevailing theory suggests that the Moai represent deified ancestors, their imposing presence watching over and protecting their descendants. This ancestral veneration is a common theme in Polynesian culture, and the Moai may have served as physical embodiments of this spiritual connection. Each statue, with its unique features and markings, could represent a specific ancestor, their lineage and deeds etched in stone for posterity. The methods used to carve, transport, and erect the Moai have also been the subject of much research and experimentation. Some researchers propose that the statues were moved using wooden rollers and ropes, utilizing the island's limited timber resources. Others suggest a more ingenious method involving rocking the statues back and forth using ropes and wooden levers, mimicking the movement of a refrigerator being moved. Regardless of the technique, the effort required to move these massive stone figures across miles of rugged terrain speaks volumes about the Rapa Nui's organizational skills and social cohesion. The sheer number of Moai, estimated to be over 900, raises further questions about the societal structure of Easter Island. The construction of such a vast number of statues would have required a significant investment of time, resources, and labor, suggesting a hierarchical society with a strong leadership capable of mobilizing a large workforce. However, the exact nature of this leadership, the social dynamics that allowed for such large-scale projects, and the reasons behind the eventual cessation of Moai construction remain open to interpretation. The narrative of Easter Island often focuses on the idea of societal collapse, a cautionary tale of ecological overshoot and the consequences of environmental degradation. Proponents of this theory point to evidence of deforestation, soil erosion, and resource depletion as key factors contributing to the decline of the Rapa Nui civilization. The island's once lush forests, home to a variety of endemic species, were decimated by overharvesting, likely for use in Moai transportation and other construction projects. As the island's forests disappeared, so too did the Rapa Nui's ability to build seafaring canoes, isolating them further and limiting their access to essential resources. Soil erosion, exacerbated by deforestation and the introduction of rats, further degraded the island's agricultural capacity, leading to declining crop yields and food shortages. This ecological collapse, coupled with competition for dwindling resources, is believed to have triggered social unrest, warfare, and a decline in population, ultimately culminating in the collapse of the Rapa Nui civilization. However, recent archaeological and anthropological research paints a more nuanced picture, challenging the simplistic narrative of collapse and highlighting the resilience and adaptability of the Rapa Nui people. While acknowledging the environmental challenges faced by the islanders, this perspective emphasizes the role of external factors, such as the arrival of European diseases, in decimating the native population. Moreover, evidence suggests that the Rapa Nui were not passive victims of their environment, but actively adapted their practices and social structures in response to changing conditions. The cessation of Moai construction, for example, could be interpreted not as a sign of societal breakdown, but as a deliberate shift in priorities, a recognition of the need to conserve dwindling resources. The Rapa Nui developed innovative agricultural techniques such as rock gardens and lithic mulching to adapt to the changing environment and enhance soil fertility. These adaptations suggest a society capable of learning from its mistakes and adjusting its practices to ensure survival rather than one doomed to inevitable collapse.